Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Hani Irina binti Muhammad Sani. My metric ID is 2020621744 and I am from class EC2202828. In this video, I will explain about total station. What is total station? A total station is an optical instrument commonly used in construction, surveying, and civil engineering. It is useful for measuring horizontal angles, vertical angles, and distance. Components and accessories of total station. The picture on the left shows the main components in total station. The components are carry handle, alidate, eyepiece, vertical clamp and slow motion knob, horizontal knob, control panel, leveling screws, and base plate. The picture on the right shows the accessories of total station. There's prisms, prism poles, range pole, and tripods. And lastly, this figure shows all the components of total station. How to set up total station? After taking the total station out of its case, mount the total station with the tripod screw and center the machine with the tripod head before securing with the screw. Rotate the foot screws to be at the midpoint of their travel. Switch on the total station and wait for a few seconds. Press star F3 to turn on the laser plummet. The laser plummet projects the center of the total station right down to your point in the field. Next, pick up two legs of the tripod and adjust it to get the laser as close as possible to the center. After that, step in all three foot pegs firmly into the ground. Then, we have to readjust the center by using the foot screw to recenter the laser plummet. Next, raise or lower the legs to level the circular bubbles. Grip the left side of the leg with your left hand and clamp with your right hand to move the leg up and down while viewing the motion of the circular bubble, then lock with the clamp when you are satisfied with the position. To continue leveling, raise and lower the second leg. To level the plate level, we have to use foot screws. Start by placing the sides of the machine over two foot screws and level the plate level over those two foot screws. Now, turn the machine 90 degrees, so the side of the machine over this last foot screw, and level the plate level with this last foot screw only. After leveling, check whether the laser plummet is still centered over the point. If not, loosen up the bolt on the tripod and move the machine forward or backward or side to side without twisting to get the laser plummet over the point. Then, secure the bolt again. Lastly, we level the plate level until the laser plummet remains at the center of the point no matter which way we rotate the machine. Tabulation of data. These are the examples of data that will be obtained. The observed bearing and distance are obtained from total station. If the bearing difference is more or less than 180 degrees, a correction should be made. The formula of latitude is distance times cos of the angle, while departure is distance times sine of the angle. Errors and precautions. The first error that may arise while using total station is horizontal collimation or line of sight error. Horizontal collimation or line of sight error is when the line of sight is not perpendicular to the tilting axis of the instrument. This is an axial error. Line of sight error affects the horizontal angle readings and increases with steep sightings. The error can be overcome or eliminated by observing on two faces, which are face left and face right. For single phase measurements, an onboard calibration function is used to determine the deviation of actual line of sight and deviated line of sight. The onboard software then applies a correction for each measured horizontal angles reading automatically. The second error is vertical collimation error. This error happens when the horizontal baseline of angle from 0 degree to 180 degree in the vertical circle does not coincide with the vertical axis of instrument. This 0-point error is present in all vertical circle readings, and like the horizontal culmination error, it is eliminated by taking FL and FR reading or by determining I. The last error is uneven heating of the instrument. Direct sunlight can hit one side of the instrument enough to cause small errors. For the highest accuracy, utilize an umbrella or pick a shaded spot for the instrument. The precautions that should be considered while using total station equipments are: first, use both hands to hold the total station handle. Second, set up the tripod as stable as possible. Third, do not move or carry a tripod with the total station fixed on it except for centering. Fourth, store the battery pack with the battery discharge. Fifth, do not over-tighten any of the clamp screws. Lastly, take maximum care when the tri-brow is removed from the total station. That's all from me. Thank you.